Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell.
Hello, YouTube. This is LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Money Minded Mama. That's right, we're here again today trying to figure out ways to make money and make more money and make more money. Okay? All right. Today we're going to be talking about financial stress. We all have it. We are all struggling. This world is crazy right now. Okay? That's what we're finding out. Everybody has some type of concerns. We're all worried about how we're going to pay our bills, how we're going to pay our mortgage, our rent, our car notes. And we all have financial concerns, and they're very pressing right now, especially given the way the world is right now and all of the uncertainties that's going on right now with our economy. I mean, it's just ridiculous right now. But what I do know is that worrying doesn't solve our problems. We have to find solutions. We have to make a plan. We have to figure something out and figure out to not be so stressed out and how to plan to manage all of these financial challenges that are coming up. Every day it's a new challenge. Every day is some new form of stress. So we have to figure out a way to deal with this stress and deal with these financial problems. So we're going to have to figure out ways to pay off our bills. That's really the solution. We have to pay off our bills. We have to save money, and we have to reduce our debt. And if we do these things, we can help and improve our overall outlook of our financial situation. So that will alleviate the stress, don't you think? If we pay the bills off, then we'll just have our standard bills. If we save more money, then we have more of a cushion. And if we reduce our debt, then we will improve everything. Okay? So let's just go over a couple of different things we can be doing because we have a lot of stress in our lives, and there's nothing really that I will say that'll change that. I call it financial anxiety because it weighs you down. And it's so many different issues. And for a lot of people, it keeps them up at night. They worry, they're stressful. They can have a heart attack, or a stroke. You have to really get rid of the root of the problems. And credit card debt, bill payments, all those things attribute to your stress. So some of the things that I do is I write down all of my money challenges. I make a list. I put everything down on paper. Maybe I got OCD. I'm not even sure. But I try to put all of my money challenges, my bills, my debts down on paper. And when I do that, I feel less overwhelmed. I don't have as much stress. So that's just a suggestion. That's something you might want to try to do. And every chance you get, go to that list and see if it's changed, how you have alleviated some of your debt, and how some of your circumstances have changed. Sometimes I have to catch myself. Sometimes I really do have to catch myself because I got OCD and I write everything down, but everybody doesn't. So that's why I'm throwing this little disclaimer in. If you don't feel like you need to write it down, then don't. That's just simply something that I do. It helps me to stay organized. It helps me to stay focused. And I'm sure you know my testimony of my struggles that I've had in the past. But for me to be organized, I have to write stuff down. And I have to be accountable for all the stuff. So writing things down and going by a list helps me personally, and it helps me to focus. I just wanted to throw that disclaimer in there. Okay, now back to the video. Okay, let me see. So the next thing we're going to do is we talk about this a lot, but we're going to create a monthly budget. Let's do it again. We'll do it until we get tired, because I believe that when you write down your budget, when you see it, when you feel it, you know what I'm saying? When you create a monthly budget and write it down, it's a powerful It's powerful. It's a powerful tool. And when you write it down, you take control over your finances. You understand it. You see what's going in. You see what's coming out. And it can help you avoid spending unnecessary money, because that is our goal, is to save as much money as possible and to alleviate this stress. Okay? But when you write a budget down, when you make a list, that tool, that picture, that list, once you have a full picture of where your money is going every month, then you look for opportunities to redirect some of that money. Okay? And then you won't have so much financial stress. So start with your net income, the amount of money that you take home every month after taxes. Write down all your expenses, from your rent to your Starbucks coffee. Okay? Write it down. Set up automatic payments for recurring bills. Set up automatic payments for savings. And sign up to get alerts if your balance falls below a certain level. To me, that's the best tip. That's a quick tip, because there are so many apps out there. Okay, I think we're gonna stop right here today. I think that's enough for one day, because when you go too deep and too hard into talking about money, you start to get a headache. We'll pick this up again in the next video. This is just enough to get you started right now. Okay? Okay, so that's all I got for you today. So remember to be smart about everything you're spending money on. Those extra expenses like cigarettes and alcohol and things like that can break you down. And those extra things can really break your budget, okay? So wherever you go today, be happy and joyful, and try not to spend any unnecessary money on those wants, okay? Okay, so if you haven't already, please take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But you have to click that notification bell, because if you don't, it's no way of knowing. You won't be notified. But if you click that bell, then YouTube will notify you when I come out with a new video. So that's the only way to stay connected. It's the only way to see videos when they come out, is to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share it out. The more people, the merrier. Okay? So I thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.